2025 Ram 1500. With less than 1,000 miles on the odometer, this pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. You'll enjoy first-class features that create a premium environment, such as cross-traffic alert, lane keeping assist, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, navigation, premium sound system, multi-zone air conditioning, 4-wheel drive, blind spot monitor, parking aid sensor, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, tinted windows, power driver seat. This stylish, long-lasting ride won't last long, so hurry!